Morning guys. We're having a breakfast at 7 o'clock. Ito sa Garden Hotel.
Garden Hotel. Nice siya. Oh, so saan? Nasaan na tayo? Conference hall. Magkaano kasi yung breakfast, hindi sa lift namin.
Oo, nasa Block B kami. Nasa Block A yung breakfast.
Dodong. Yes. May pizza. Hi, Dodong. Yan, malamig. Dito na kami sa rooftop. Kailangan pala mag 4th floor. Tapos stairs. Look! What are you? Last day. Tudong last day na natin.
What's up mga ka-DLB? Last day na namin dito sa Garden Hotel. Dito sa Bishkek. So, before kami mag-flight guys, meron pa kami ilang oras. So, baka magpadaan kami sa Osh
Bazaar. Mamimili na pasalubong.
Para tuningin na mga pasalubong. Galing dito.
Kasi daw kapag bumili ka sa mga tourist spots, triple yung presyo. So, sabi ni Mo, tas yung tour guide namin, much better bumili sa Osh Bazaar.
So hopefully maging smooth yung aming lakad today before ng flight. Kasi ang flight namin is 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yes, 3 o'clock. Sobrang traffic sa Bishkek City Center.
Guys, if ever na pupunta kayo sa Bishkek, expected na traffic everyday. So wala siyang walang specific day na hindi traffic. Everyday is traffic.
Okay.
So yun guys, good luck sa mga bibisit dito. Hopefully mag-enjoy din kayo katulad namin. Peace out!
Hello. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mag-model ka ulit. Mga guys, checking us out. Tuhan. Nice.
So, okay. This one 650 so.
In Philippines, they cook this cow. You know cow testicle? Testicle of the cow. They cook that one in Philippines.
Oh, nice. Oh, spicy dong. Yeah, it's good.
It's not getting cold.
Ayan. Wow, it's so long.
Well, guys.
Well,
Thank you so much. I hope to see you again.
Yeah.
Even he will not come.
Okay.
You come here. You have some person here to take care of you. Don't worry. Like your brother here.
Yes.
Anytime, I'm ready.
Okay.
And he know already. You have your brother here, so don't worry. Even you come alone. Even you are come alone, there is someone taking care of you. I'm really glad to meet you. I hope to see you again. We don't know the life. going on, but I wish that we can see you again.
Yes, even Abu Dhabi, okay?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Manas.
Settled here.
Yes, and to see you again and again with your friends.
So guys, ang aga namin. Kami lang yung tao dito. Wala pa lang kainan after the passport control. Nawaw, mali kami. Bababa pa pala. Ito, may kainan pala. Mali yung una nang sinabi. Dito ulit tayo, tama? Iba na siya, oh. Kainan naman pala. Sorry, guys. Wizz Air 1550. Kasi hindi sila marunong ng English, so walang nag-instruct sa agad sa amin. Parang gusto ko nun. Ikaw?
Bakit ako nabili ko ito?
Brandy. Ay, cognac pala. Ayan. Dito parang kami sa airport. Gahanap ng kakainan. Kasi yung travel pass namin, wala dito. Wala, yun lang. Yung duty free nila, euros lang. Eh, madami kaming som. Mayaman sa som. Kape muna bago mag-flight. Mura lang siya guys, 1,100 lang. Kasama ng water. Tapos dalawang sandwich. Tsaka dalawang kape.
All the boarding passengers behind you. Thank you.
Boarding. Mota's here, husband here.
Tawal po.
Look everything. Bye-bye.
Wala Switzerland ang ganda guys.
It suits you. Yeah, you look like Kyrgyzstan.
Yeah, imagine that's me.
And when he's annoying you.
Yeah. Wow! Wow! Bullseye! That Nice. See? Ayun yung araw, guys. How?
He will make like this.
The deer.
I will kill you.
Wow!
Baklang to. Baklang to. Isa pa.